Hi there, Sophia here. Today's video is sponsored by Ideaure Jewelry. I am so excited to show you these absolutely exquisite rings that they have sent me. When they reached out to me to see if I would like to review their jewelry, I went on their website, found these rings, and believe me, I found a lot of other things I love. So I'm going to show you my three choices. I'm delighted to work with this company because it is a family-owned company. The quality of their workmanship is really beautiful. They make each piece handmade. They use top products. It is lead-free, mercury-free, cadmium-free, hypoallergenic. I really appreciate that because I have sensitive skin. Also, the craftsmanship is just beautiful. Each ring really stands out. The design, the sparkle, the shimmer of each stone, you'll just see what I mean. But first I'm going to show you how beautifully it comes packaged. This makes an incredible gift. It comes packaged in this beautiful box that's made out of recycled material. And when you open it, you get this lovely little felt package. You get a special cleaning cloth for your jewelry to keep it sparkly and beautiful. So let's have a look. The first one is, they're classic. This is the Arya. I got so excited when I saw this because the sparkle on this is unbelievable. It's a real dazzler. I got a size that would fit on my middle finger or on my pointer finger. Just beautiful as well. It has a separate ring. The first ring, it's 925 sterling silver, and it's topped by a second ring that spins on it. So lovely. All cubic zirconium all the way around. And any way you turn your hand, you see the most beautiful sparkle on it. This on your hand will certainly bring you lots of compliments. They say that this helps with anxiety. It's interesting that if you play with the ring, it's very calming. And I have to say, it is one of the most original rings I've seen. This, I believe, is their iconic ring. The Arya is extremely popular. So go and take a look at this. It's very beautiful. And here's the next one. Once again, beautifully packaged. This one is, this is so gorgeous. This is the most stunning ring. It is the Turquoise Ring. Look at the sparkle on that. The workmanship of all these bands intertwined, and I like that they're all together. Rings that have a lot of bands, they're always wiggling around and they don't stay in place. These stay in place beautifully. This is a natural turquoise stone in it, 14 karat gold plated. This goes so well with any color outfit. I especially love wearing it in the summertime with a golden tan and a white outfit. Turquoise ring, turquoise earrings. It's really beautiful and gives you a very resort look to it. This, once again, is the Gaspara. And also, I like that it's lightweight. You're not wearing a heavy feeling jewel on your hand. It's showy, which I love big rings. I'm not a dainty ring person. I like showy jewelry, but it's also extremely feminine looking. So very, very beautiful. And this is the third ring, the Benedetta. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I adore pearls. And when I saw this ring, I thought, oh my gosh, this is so original. I love the rope design on the band. I absolutely love the placement of the three pearls. The pearls have such a luster to them. It's a truly dazzling ring. It goes beautifully paired with other rings as well, but on its own, I think it deserves to be on its own. It's that pretty. The luster of the pearls. The gold on this, once again, is 14 karat plated gold. This would elevate any outfit that you wear. It's also lightweight, it stays in place, and it's beautiful also on your ring finger. If you want to wear it there, on your middle finger, wherever you choose, you can get a smaller one for your pinky. Any finger, it looks exquisite. I want to tell you a little bit about this company as well. They have a wonderful 2-year warranty on it. You get your rings very quickly. This is not a jewelry company that you have to wait weeks and weeks when you order it. You get the ring within 3 to 5 days, and they have free shipping and returns. Very generous terms. They have a big selection of beautiful rings. Any style that you're looking for, something more classic. What I like about this is the originality of it. You wear these rings, I'm going to put them all on now so you can see how absolutely stunning they are. You wear these rings and you're going to get lots of comments on them because it's a very original looking ring. Look how beautiful these are. I highly recommend them. Go and take a look at their website and take a look at their amazing prices as well. You can't beat those prices for this quality. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know which is your favorite ring, or if you loved all of them as much as I do. And I'll see you on the next video, and don't forget to give it a like. Bye now.